What a wonderful recovery, a wonderful adventure. Anybody who embark on this journey to recover the number of panty I am seeing here from these bad boys, it is not an easy adventure. Now, if you hear your name, you come to Ekuleku TV and collect your own panty. Number 1, Josephine Egwato Okwonyibo. Here. Number 2, Adamma Adania. Edition over on Kaya Bulala Yeva. Here. Makoya ga etiva Katrina Panty. Akoroga Alabia. Number 3, Nkechika Otuoma Selichuku. Ewo nwannem Odichukumma Odegomma. Number 4, Ivonye Metal Philo Ojive Nwata Omo Agbara. Now number 5 no. Number 6, Chekwara. Wait have I not been calling Igbo names? Where are the Hausa pants, the Yoruba pants, and other pants from other tribes? Ekuleku TV, who is there?
Ocha, please help me to check if my pant is there. I am looking for my pant.
What is your name?
My name is Otababa.
Guinea?
Afambo Otababa. Please help me and check.
No, I don't have to, because I don't have such name here, Otababa. By the way, how did you lose your pants? Edalobu, Asemanga, how did you lose your pants?
It was during an event.
An event? Which event?
Ocha, on a club.
Club. The same club. Ocha, club. It is no more event. You went to pastor's wife event. Were you dancing and your panty fell off your waist? Or you willingly removed it? Which one?
Ocha,
My friend, go to that club and ask the cleaners where they are dumping their waste. Go there and look for your pant. Stop disturbing us. We are here for innocent girls that put their pant under the sun to dry and their pant develop wing and fly away. Biko nege panente. Number gene zede kaino zede. Number 6. Igbo amaka angoreka. Another Igbo pant. Is it only Igbo pant that... Wait, this program, what is the title self? Is it Igbo Women Pant Project? So they want to tell me that there is no Hausa pant here, no Yoruba pant, not even Fulani. They don't have their pants here. Nigeria can cheat, even when pant is involved. Even as I am looking at these pants, some of them are very, very big and dirty. And trust me, I know the tribe. I know the tribe that can be this big and dirty. Hey! Ndowa. Hey! Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.